Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Apple's next big device is not an iPhone, coming 2026. When most Americans think of Apple, the first thing that comes to mind is the iPhone. It's been the company's biggest product for over a decade and the backbone of Apple's success in the US. But here's the twist. Apple's next big device in 2026 isn't an iPhone at all. In fact, it could be the most disruptive product Apple has launched since the original smartphone. According to industry insiders, patents, and supply chain leaks, Apple is preparing to introduce an entirely new AI-powered wearable computing device designed to replace how Americans interact with technology on a daily basis. This device isn't just an upgrade, it's a new category, a shift beyond smartphones. Smartphone innovation has slowed. Every year, Americans see better cameras, faster chips, and brighter displays, but the core experience remains the same. Apple knows this. That's why the company is investing heavily in post-smartphone technology, devices that feel more natural, more personal, and more seamlessly integrated into everyday life. The upcoming Apple device, rumored for a 2026 US launch, is expected to combine AI, spatial computing, and wearable tech into a single lightweight form factor. Unlike bulky headsets or handheld devices, this product aims to be something Americans can wear all day, at work, at home, or on the move. AI at the center of everything. What makes this device different from anything Apple has released before is its deep focus on artificial intelligence. Apple is reportedly working on a next-generation AI system that goes far beyond Siri. This new AI would understand context, environment, and personal habits, all while keeping user data private, a major selling point for American consumers. Imagine walking into a grocery store and seeing real-time nutritional insights, price comparisons, or personalized shopping suggestions without pulling out your phone. Or attending a meeting where the device summarizes conversations, translates languages instantly, and highlights action items, all hands-free. This is the future Apple is betting on. Designed for the American lifestyle. Apple's success in the US has always come from designing products around real American habits, work-from-home culture, fitness tracking, entertainment, and productivity. The 2026 device is expected to build on this by integrating tightly with existing Apple products like the Apple Watch, AirPods, MacBooks, and even smart home systems. Health and wellness will also play a major role. Reports suggest advanced biometric tracking, mental wellness insights, and real-time posture or stress monitoring. With healthcare costs rising in America, a device that helps users stay healthier could be a game changer. Not just a gadget, a platform. Just like the iPhone created the App Store economy, Apple's next device could launch an entirely new developer ecosystem. US developers are already preparing for spatial apps, AI assistants, immersive content, and hands-free productivity tools. Think of navigation without looking at a screen, fitness coaching in real time, immersive FaceTime experiences, next-gen gaming layered onto the real world. This isn't just another Apple product, it's a platform that could redefine how Americans use technology. Why Apple needs this device? The iPhone still dominates the US market, but growth has slowed. Apple needs a new flagship product to fuel its next decade. Analysts believe this 2026 device could eventually generate iPhone-level revenue, especially as younger Americans embrace wearables and AI-first experiences. Apple has done this before, transforming music with the iPod, phones with the iPhone, and wearables with the Apple Watch. Now, it's aiming to transform how we interact with the digital world itself. When will it launch? While Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything, multiple reports point to a 2026 release in the United States, with a premium price tag at launch. Early versions may target developers and power users, followed by a more affordable consumer model. If history is any indication, Apple will unveil this device quietly, then completely dominate the conversation. Final thoughts. Apple's next big device isn't an iPhone, and that's exactly why it matters. In 2026, Americans may look back and realize this was the moment Apple shifted from smartphones to AI-driven personal computing. The iPhone changed how we communicate. Apple's next device may change how we experience reality itself. And if Apple gets it right, the future won't be in your pocket. It'll be right in front of your eyes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.